We're also hoping to see something similar to what we saw last night. Australia against New Zealand was thunderous. This now is Luai, pops it over the top. Lafai's got the footwork, and Lafai's got the first try of the game. Williams, the little dummy, and he's through, and he gets it away. And that is going to be Elliot Whitehead.
Trying to wear out this England defence so they can find some opportunities on the fringe like this one.
Spotted a gap down that blind side and slides over to score. Williams with a kick over the top. Watkins is chasing it. Lafai gets it. Lafai's dropped it. Picked up. Score. Full effect from the English defence, but one more to go because Luai's dancing now. Oh, he's found the gap. Puts it back on the inside. Paolo spins it away. Luai bats it on. Brighton will finish. That is incredible. That is absolutely incredible. Just a foot away. An arm stretch away, and Young came out to make the tackle, and he didn't make it, and that left the gap, and that gave the invitation for Lafai to score. Radley again at dummy half, Hills pointing at defenders. It goes beyond him to Tompkins. Now it's Wellesby. Here comes Farnworth. Farnworth through the first line, and through the second, and through the third, and England on the try. Tompkins gets the kick away, up in the air.
It's a penalty, Dave.
Penalty for England. Makinson steps up and yep. On its way, interception from Crichton. Stephen Crichton is going to go the distance for a huge try. Stephen Crichton with a try that might just win it for Samoa, that takes them into dreamland. McAlorum. Now it's with Williams. Williams with the ball. Off he goes. Farnworth on his outside. Farnworth puts the foot down and chases. And Tommy Makinson is pointing it towards the sticks. Farnworth scores a try. Makinson has a kick to bring it level. Silence descends inside this stadium. Makinson strikes it. And the flag's gone. England slowing it down. Have a look for Milford. Milford again is in position, but they're also going to go back to Crichton. Crichton's got time to try and win it for Samoa, and Stephen Crichton is a history maker. History will tell you that history has been made. England 26, Samoa 27.